ask you, Akon talk something.
Went to South Africa, and then from there I ended up landing in Nigeria. And what we created in Nigeria was what you see now and hear as Afrobeats, right? So Wizkid was the first artist that we signed back in 2008.
How is it possible? Akon talk say na him be the person who create this Afrobeat. Now as he can't discover this, then we now can't wake up as Mongo Park take discover this thing.
If for talk say na him still discover the likes of them Two-Face, the likes of them Timaya, the likes of them Nice and Co. Now, with the people we don't roll with when you come Nigeria, when we go tell people, say, I'm the biggest person around this place, anything we do with me. So, probably you don't feel, say, now him bring those things. The way we take the talk about Wizkid, we no be waiting the story, be that. We all know, say, Banky, them sign Wizkid, it don't the work. Yes, collaboration, we collaborate with you on top distribution and all of these things. No me say you go talk, say, now you create Afrobeat. Because Afrobeat, no be waiting one person create. Now culture.
Chook Mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.